I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to mirror your iPhone screen on your Mac. Whether you want to control your phone directly from your computer or just cast a video to a larger display, Apple has built these features right into macOS and iOS. If you want to use your iPhone apps, type on your phone using your Mac keyboard and interact with your phone's interface directly on your Mac, you'll want to use the iPhone Mirroring app. Let's walk through the steps to do that. Step 1. Open the iPhone Mirroring app on your Mac. You can find it in your Applications folder or directly in your dock. Step 2. Click Continue when prompted. If this is your first time, you may need to unlock your iPhone and enter your passcode to approve the connection. Step 3. Choose your authentication settings. You can set it to Ask Every Time for added security, or allow it to connect automatically if you use this feature frequently. Step 4. Once connected, you can interact with your iPhone screen exactly as if it were a window on your Mac. You can open apps, scroll through pages, and even drag and drop files between your Mac and iPhone. If you aren't trying to control your phone, but just want to watch a video or show a photo gallery to others, using AirPlay is faster and easier. Step 1. Ensure your Mac is set up as an AirPlay receiver. Go to System Settings, General, and AirDrop and Handoff, and then make sure AirPlay Receiver is toggled on. Step 2. On your iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner to open the Control Center. Step 3. Tap the screen mirroring icon, which looks like two overlapping rectangles. Step 4. Select your Mac from the list of available devices. Your iPhone screen will immediately appear on your Mac display. And a quick pro tip: if you're having trouble connecting, the number one culprit is usually handshake issues between your devices. Ensure that both your iPhone and your Mac are signed into the same Apple ID and that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on both devices. If you're still not seeing your Mac in the list, restart both devices. A quick power cycle usually clears up any temporary communication errors between the two platforms. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.